All it has right now is that ball. We're gonna put this sucker under there, but first I need to get the wiring done. So right now I'm just gonna give you the quick and skinny on the wiring. I'm not gonna show you it, that's for another video, but I'm just gonna give you the quick and skinny. Here we go, 2 minutes. Because you're gonna have 5 wires going to a 4-wire trailer. That's what we're dealing with here. Wiring the 4-pin. So I went to hook up this trailer to this truck and this 4-way, but I looked under here and there's no wiring for this. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna show you the truck side wiring for the 4-way. All right, so this is really simple. It's not that hard. So if you have this, but there's no wiring to go on, you have 2 options, okay? You can get under here and you can figure out what kind of wires and which ones match up to which, okay? Or you can go into the lights. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into these 2 lights. Simple. Now, basically, you're gonna take this light compartment open and you're gonna do everything from this light compartment. Everything. All of it's gonna be done from this light compartment. Besides, but one thing. There's one thing. One green wire. Remember, it's the green wire. You're gonna fish down all the way over here because it's for your right turning signal. That's it. One green wire all the way down here. Now you have 2 options. You can go buy one of these for like 35 to 50 bucks, or you can wire it yourself if you're into that kind of thing. And if, this is the big but, what kind of truck lights do you have? You need to figure that out, okay? That's one of the first things. When you go, most modern vehicles today have a truck light that when you hit your brakes and your runner lights, a certain bulb is on. And then that same bulb has a filament inside of it. It might be a secondary bulb, but it might be that same bulb. It has a secondary filament that has a secondary wiring signal that is sent from your lights when your blinker comes on. Older vehicles, just like your trailer, have one light, so it's just the 4 wires that would go over here. This one is a conversion kit. That's what you need for most modern vehicles. That's because you're going to have 5 wires going to a 4-wire trailer. So, I bought this. It's a connector pit. It has the 5 wires going to 4 wires. We're going to take this, take it apart. We're going to hook everything up, just like it says right here. Okay, so here we go. This is really simple. The first thing we're going to do is we're just going to hook up the ground. You have this one open. Take this light off. Go in here. Find a grounding spot and ground it. That's the white wire. The next one is the brown wire. It's your parking and your tail lights. Go in there, turn on your runner lights, look at the bulb, see which one it is, take a little light tester, check in there and see which wire it is, crimp to that wire. The next one is yellow. It's for your left turning signal. Left turning signal is yellow. Hook it up, wire it up. Next one is going to be your brake. It's red. Hook it up. It's your brake light. We're all doing this, switching back and forth if you have a partner. And the final one's the funky one, right? It's the green one. Don't forget the green one. The green one, you're just going to wire fish down here, wire up to the green blinker. See what, put your blinker on, find the power high, the power side, hook up the green wire, fish it all back under, plug it in to a mechanism. This one actually doesn't have a plug-in. It's all one solid unit that goes from 5 to 4, and then it gives you this plug at the end. It's that simple. And then you can be on your dandy way. 5-wire, 4-wire. Do everything from here. Green wire goes over here. If you want the extended version where I actually do this for this job, go ahead and check out that video. I don't know where it's at, but scatter through my channel and find it. To get onto this side of where it is. Park that